Just in time. So if you guys haven't gathered by now, Soda's here. We're gonna be working on his car.
What's up, dudes?
And we've got some coilovers. So
do we though? Have you seen them?
I haven't seen them.
I haven't even opened the box yet.
Yeah, so we got a box that we presume has coilovers in it, but if it doesn't, then that'd be kind of unfortunate. Pop the trunk. Nice. So we got some max speeding rod coilovers.
That's what's going on in the car today.
Of course.
PCs are just for looks.
Yeah.
Just to have the box in the car, yeah.
Alright guys, before we get too deep into the video, I wanted to say hello to all the new people here. If you guys enjoy what you see, make sure to like and subscribe. We've got a lot of new content coming up. A lot of cool stuff that we're doing here. I got a bunch of projects that we're going to be working on the channel, so if you guys like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, we do have a giveaway going on right now. I do think I'm going to be ending it a little bit early because I don't actually think that we're going to be reaching the 100 like threshold anytime soon. So I think I'm going to end it this Friday. In the next video, I will be announcing the winners. There are going to be 3 winners for a banner, a picture, and a t-shirt. So go ahead and click on that video and comment if you still want to enter in. This is going to be the last week that you can do it. And with that being said, enjoy the video.
Should we crack the bolt?
Come on, Soda, put your dick away. Let's fucking do this.
Hold up. That's wrong with it. Dumbass.
No, it isn't. All right, so what do you say? Should we race?
Should we what?
Should we race?
Race the cars?
No. I'll take left side. You take right side and see who finishes first.
You're gonna give me the gun, all right?
I mean, I've got 2 sets.
All right. Might as well do it to make it fun. But what the fuck am I doing? All I know is the strut bolts. Have you taken the strut off before? Your IS?
Not on the IS.
Fuck off. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's see.
Give me what I need.
Well, let's fucking tool up right quick. All right, so it's official. Pretty much everything we should need. We got a hammer. We got a fucking pry bar, socket set, fucking socket wrench, and a gun. Both of us have pretty much the same exact thing.
All right, guys. We got the coils nicely packed. There you go. You got the bubble wrap. Take these out. Ooh. IS300, IS300 coils, right?
Yep.
These are it. Look at that.
Those look fucking good, dude.
Dude, they're clean. Big boy purchase right here.
Hell yeah, dog.
Not big, but bigger than usual.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get these bad boys on and see who's gonna win. Obviously, me. Just
It's
kidding.
gonna be me.
Pretty sure you're gonna beat me, but it's stupid fun.
All right, guys, wheels are off. It's time to race. Who do you think's gonna win? Put it in the comments. It's either Soda or me. I know you guys got my back.
I'm just doing this shit for fun because I enjoy it.
Baby.
You already take the front out?
No.
Fuck off.
Why would you think that? I fucked up.
Why?
I didn't get the fucking right tools that I needed.
Yep.
I'm stealing one of yours.
Well, I probably don't fucking have it.
Oh, you do. You have everything you need.
Cheater.
That's not cheating.
Cheat it.
That's not cheating.
No, wait, there it is. What the fuck, Karen?
Hey Soda, how's it going?
Trash.
You almost done?
Fucking strut off, yeah. You take this off?
What? That big old piece? No.
So you're telling me you did this and it came out?
No, I took the 2 bottom bolts that go into the knuckle off, and then you can pull the entire knuckle out.
I didn't want to do that.
They're easy. Don't take the middle ball joint nut out, but like the 2 on the side.
So the one that's on the arm?
So
Makes no sense. Oh, right here.
yeah, 2 of them. There should be 2 bolts.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Fuck it. I give up. I forfeit.
I mean, I'm already done, so.
Fuck you.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Can't get my dick in this socket.
Can't keep your dick in your pants, dude.
Can't get my dick in my pants.
So we still got a good amount of clearance between control arm and the top. We'll see how it is when it's lowered. Hey, you got the fucking old one out. Good job, dude.
Yeah, dude. 3 hours later.
How does it feel?
Tiring, man. I don't know how you mechanics do it, bro. It's a moment of truth.
This is it, dude.
Are we slammed? Are we street fitment style? Or are we track fitment style? Or are we credit card fitment style? No difference.
I'm gonna say street fitment style.
According to Irvin's calculation, which I trust, street fitment style. Or what is it? Track fitment style.
Low enough to look better, not low
I don't
enough
want
to
that
bake
shit
in any fenders.
So low where I'm turning and then you hear the fender go.
Yeah, I'm not trying to bake in any fenders.
Can't wait till I get T37s.
Got lofty goals, my friend. Bubba Saboba to truth, Soda. How does it fucking feel, dude?
Honestly, dude, I can care less right now. I just want this to be dropped, and wherever it sits, I'm just gonna say fuck it, leave it. I'm over it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Like,
So from what it looks like in the air, it looks good. Like, I like it.
I trust your judgment,
I mean, look at it.
but we'll let physics do stuff.
Yeah, we'll see. I think as long as nothing like rubs like crazy, I think this is a pretty good fitment to just fucking drive around, especially with our streets. They're kind of shit. Yeah. But
You know, if I get a fucked up fender, I'm drifting this shit. I'm turning this shit to straight drift car. That's my thing. Is as soon as something screws it up.
as soon as it's slightly shittier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just my mindset changes, and I'm like drift car. But like right now, I'm just like clean daily, clean daily.
Or you could just keep it a clean daily and just like not.
That's what I'm trying to do. If somebody like, for example, if somebody like hit me or like slightly ran into me, or like if I get into a small accident, I'm just like fuck it, I'm going full.
I think it depends on how bad it is for me, cause like,
You had one.
dude, like if it was like bad enough to where like a quarter panel's fucked up or something like that,
Dude,
something
I'm
that's like,
fucking drifting.
but like if I can fix it, if like
Small,
say
yeah.
it's like a bumper, you know, and I can just like put a bumper on it, I
Yeah.
wouldn't
Like if
do
you
it.
can't tell,
Yeah,
you just make it a clean daily.
exactly.
Because you can't tell. Jesus Christ. Oh, fucking shit. Credit card. Is that all the way?
Huh?
Is that all the way? You gotta remember the weight's on the front too. All right, jacks are out. Ooh. Front wheels are tucked in the fender, bro. Like it won't move.
Oh my god.
Is it stuck? Or is that how it sits?
Yeah, we're gonna have to raise the front for sure.
Fuck. That's more than credit card. Oh shit, I almost bent that fender.
Yeah, that's such a for sure. Your rear looks hot though.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's without spacers. That's, dude, feel it. I'm definitely, that's not what I was shooting for, but I think it's hot. It still rolls, dude.
It'll still roll in the rear. That's good, that's good. Just tighten that bitch and let's put some wheels on and check it one more time. Hopefully this is the last time. Because I don't want to do this again.
Telling me, bro.
Bro, I've had that since fucking Longview.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, this is the exact same one.
Dude, yeah, that's...
Wasn't this like 150 or some shit?
Yeah, it's cheap as shit.
150?
Something like that, yeah.
I think, I don't remember if I don't think I got one, but I remember these exact same ones.
Yeah, those are the best fucking torque wrenches.
Really?
Yeah. Unless you're gonna spend like $400 on a Snap-on one, like that's the best. Links in the description, they're on Amazon.
I think I remember the day you got this.
Yeah.
I feel like I got one too, but I don't remember what it is.
Bro, it clicked. Bro, it clicked.
Jesus, I didn't hear it.
What's it set to though?
It's 80-ish.
Yeah, that's fine.
You already torqued this to, with what?
I didn't torque it with the torque wrench, I just tightened them.
Damn, son.
Look at that, perfect torque.
It's over torqued.
Bullshit.
You can feel it. It clicks really good.
Yeah, it clicks right where it's supposed to, dude. It's that hand torque, dude. I've got that shit down.
It's the maxed out torque.
Nah, bullshit,
I really
dude.
believe this one, bro.
No, bullshit, dude. Add 5 foot-pounds, I swear to God, it won't click.
I want to see this shit.
Oh, baby. That's sick. No, you're fucking perf.
Yeah, but down here we'll find out. What if I get full walk?
So far so good. You're not even close to hitting lip. Oh yeah. Dude, it looks good.
Like tires.
I think wheel fitment is definitely a little bit off. But like, dude.
It looks good. Though.
Look at that wheel gap compared to this wheel gap. That is ridiculous, dude.
Alright guys, first test drive. Am I rubbing right now as we speak when we turn? That's the back, isn't it?
Yeah, it's back. Yeah, that's looking way better.
I mean, you don't hear it at all.
Alright.
See how stiff these bad boys are, though. What the fuck is that? I'm gonna be fucking angry.
I know, right?
I mean, it's pretty high, bro. No, we're good.
No, we're good.
Solid.
I don't know. But it fucking feels good, dude. Like, I'm stoked about that.
It actually feels nice.
I'm gonna have to fucking get some coils on my car.
Alright. You turn right here. You know what I mean? Oh my god, shit. Decel. Way better, dude.
She feels fucking good, dude.
Dude, like that felt good. Oh,
that
you
felt
ran over the
fucking
box,
planted.
bro. This thing feels
dude.
fucking... Here, I'm gonna stop up there and then I'm gonna have a test drive it.
There we go.
We're gonna like this thing a lot.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That's the first thing that's straight.
Nah, that's chill, dude. Go for it. I don't think we'll hit.
How you like the leather seats? Yeah, dude, I think
slippery, dude.
You want to move backwards more? Because you look kind of fucking in there.
Oh, I'm chilling.
You look like a big guy in a small car.
I am a big guy in a small car.
Thoughts so far?
Dude, it fucking rides like butter, I'm not gonna lie.
It rides good. I like him, dude.
Dude, it's nice.
It's exactly everything I thought it would be. Yeah. Like, I feel confident in this car. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it feels good. Like, it doesn't do anything.
It doesn't do anything. Like, you don't feel it pulling, you don't feel it leaning, you don't feel body roll.
Like, mine rolls like fuck, dude.
Dude, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, see, that's it. You can feel the whole, like... Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah, dude. It's nice. There you go. That's pretty normal, though.
Yeah, that was a heavy ass bump.
Do you feel, like you feel confident, huh?
It feels good. Yeah.
Like when you're riding fast in the fucking stock suspension, you're like, oh god, oh god.
Yeah, you gotta take it easy a little.
You're like, okay, okay. But this is like...
It's so much more responsive. Like,
yeah. Like, I feel like I need to get racing seats now.
Like mine, it feels like when you turn the wheel, it's like you feel
it's
the
slower.
whole body roll,
yeah,
and then you feel it start to turn, and this is just like straight to the turning. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. If you guys like what you saw, make sure to hit that subscribe button and go check out soooo's channel. I'm going to leave a link to the video somewhere up here. I don't know which fucking side it's on, but go check him out. And if you do, let him know that I sent you. With that being said, have a good day. I'll see you guys next time.